GMC Denali truck.
Exit at 12. I'm behind the signal 10.
See what goes down.
Driver! Lower all the windows! Driver!
Oh, takes off.
1155, I got the signal 10. He's fleeing.
You're gonna go into oncoming traffic
From 12.
just to make it to an exit. Like, you're not gonna escape in a truck.
I'm behind a signal 10. Black GMC Benelli. It's gonna be a 28 of
Look how fast he got up.
47 Bravo Zulu Romeo Quebec. We're gonna be eastbound.
Oh shit.
23.
Did he hit that side of that trailer there?
I believe he's signal 4 the vehicle right now.
He's swerving.
Right towards the turnpike.
Oh, damn.
He's going 12 whiskey.
How many? What did he hit?
On the turnpike, signal 4
Oh
towards the truck.
shit, he flipped. Was that Amazon? He flipped over an Amazon truck. What the fuck?
Let me see your shit. Let me see your
This dude is out of control. Doesn't know how to drive. Just dumb, bro. I swear. I'm on the ground. Yep. Dumb motherfucker.